People, it's Cloud, and welcome to my first episode of HTML tutorial for beginners. HTML is the language that you make all of websites. Every website is made in HTML language. In internet, there's a lot of website builders that are allowing you to create a lot of nice looking websites, but they're really working only with the team that they have programmed in, and you don't really have a lot of choices. As a beginner in HTML, you will not be able to actually make the same quality websites, but there's more there's more possibilities in when you code in HTML than build a website in Website Builder. So every HTML document is just a text file. For this tutorial, I will use gedit as my text editor. Sadly, it's in my native language, so maybe something you will not gonna understand, but I will try to explain it. So every HTML document is a text file, so you don't really need much to make HTML documents. So I have a setup episode where I show where to download gedit and Mozilla Firefox, what we will be using for this tutorial. So when you open gedit, it will open up a file, text file. So you go to File, which will be the first one, and you go to Save As. I have Saglabaka, which is in my native language. So you will go to your folder that you need to create a folder where you will put all of your text files in. So name your document. Whoops, not with the capital. Index.html. Index.html is the home page. When you type in the URL, it goes to that file. So, and then save it. And now you have an index.html, and it shows up here as well. Usually when you double click on HTML files, they open up in browsers oops, not for me. But if you haven't changed anything, they will open up in browser. All you have to do is go open with gedit. HTML documents are made from these little lines called tags. First tag you have to type in is HTML tag. All that you will be writing will be in this HTML tag, which is at the start of the web page and in the end. Tags usually have opening and closing tags. Opening tag is just in these greater than and less than signs, just the tag name, but closing tag is the same, just in front there's slash. So yeah. Then the next thing, the actual web page consists of head tag and body tag. In head tag, there's usually the name that shows up in the browser is top under tab's name. So the tab name, you just click get title, wait a second, please. Whoops, title problems with spelling already. And in title tags you write anything that you want the browser to show up in the tab. So tutorial, for example, and then close it. And for right now, it's going to be end what we can do in head tag. Well, in the meantime, in body tag is everything that the actual web page gonna have. So body tag is where everything's gonna be. And just for this episode, there's gonna be one more thing that I will show you, which is headers. So headers are titles of paragraphs. So there's 6 of them. So the biggest one is H1. Then there's H2 and so on to H6. Wait a second and I will show you. Well, here's the whole headers, and let's just save the file quickly and open it. Man, I hate it. With a web browser. And here they are. This is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So that's going to be the end of this episode. Thank you for watching, and join us the next time to see more.